IDOCs. How to check it? Go to W02. W02.
No, there are no IDOCs in my system.
Is it? No, but change the date. It will take, by default, it will be having the current date. Change the date on the skin, selection skin. Change in the selection skin the date. You'll get a different IDOCs.
Uh-huh.
Maybe you can give last 1 year since from 1 year, from 1 to.
Yes, I got three IDOCs.
You see some IDOCs. And if you see my skin, I connected to the same system where you are there, both of you. Here.
No, I got 152 IDOCs since last year.
Mm-hmm.
Let's
What is
search
the
in
skin?
W02 in a web test.
See my skin. You see my skin, right? Here,
Yes, yes, sir.
W02.
Ah,
So you change here the date, create your own date.
ah.
So maybe you change it to instead of
I
26, give
just changed the
25.
year 25. Yeah.
You'll get the IDOCs here. These are the IDOCs created.
Ah, yes, yes.
Some other people's they created. You want to see the data here? Double click the any IDOC here. Again, two types of IDOCs. One is outbound, other one is inbound here. So party status here. Go to data records. This is the IDOC data. Somebody programmed it. So yesterday, right, I will show the flow just to, on the PPT once again the flow. Here, this is outbound IDOC. What we have done is the API program. This is the API program. So when we executed the program, it has created the outbound IDOC. Okay. In this outbound IDOC, you have this is the IDOC. In this side, I have three sections. One is control record, control data, this is the business data, this is the status data, IDOC status data. This is what you see here. You take any IDOC here. You take this IDOC here, for example, which we this one here. Okay, this is a control record. Control record will give you the IDOC type, message type, partner number, partner type, port, all this information. And this is the control data. Is the control data here. Okay, and business data, right? Control data, IDOC status data. And go to here. This is status data. Status data. These are the entry questions. What will contain the status data? What will contain in the control data? And business data I can find here. This is the business data. This is the business data. Okay. So do you remember what is the functional model we have used to create IDOC? In yesterday, if you remember my program, what I showed you, what is the functional model name we have used? Do you remember?
RSNAT 000.
That is the standard program to convert the status of the IDOC. Master IDOC distributor, master IDOC data distributor. Go to SE37. master IDOC distribute this function model. Suppose you don't know use this one, but you know this function model. How to get a reference programs? Somebody's programs.
Various list.
Where is list? See, your voice coming very low, Adras.
Where
After
is
the
list, sir?
Right? My voice clear, right? You both.
Yes, yes, sir.
Put a cursor here. Search where is list here. If this function model is using means anyone is using means that program is outbound IDOC to create. Right? You can take only the Z program, somebody's programs here. Right? Suppose outbound IDOC. Double click here. Double click here. So this will create the IDOC here. Go back. You can take this one as well. Anything. Double click here. Double click here. Right? This is also IDOC they are creating here. This is the new way of assigning the value to the internal table here. This one. This is bacteria. So this is the new way of syntax code here. If I put a breakpoint here, what could be ls underscore cntrl? You can open yourself also this program parallel.
ls underscore cnt, it's a work area.
Different table, type table of right. What is this one is the new way of new syntax. This. So this will assign the data directly. Breakpoint here, no? Execute. Right here, this is the work area. After executing of this line, I'll get the data. The data has come. And that you are assigning to internal table. This. Think of what is the line number 22 we are doing.
We are adding the record to the internal table.
22. 22 I'm asking.
One more record we are creating.
Mm-hmm. Twenty 22. Check the code. 22. What the 22 we are doing? We are doing.
It is adding new record, yeah?
Adding to what? Where it is adding? 22. What is the ZB3 EMP sec? What is that?
Table.
It is not a table. It is a work area in the program. Because the table statement I have declared right here. Because
No.
of this table statement, this becomes work area. Now, here is work area. To the query, you are passing the record here. You can double click here. See, this is our query. All the fields from the table will come here.
Mhm.
So if you remember, table statement will declare the query automatically, not only for the select of purpose. Right? You can check this one. What is they created in the S11? Maybe structured they might have created or table. That is structure. This is structure created. And declare this way for creating work area. Now one record will come here. What is LT underscore X data?
Table created internally.
LTS data is S.
Internal table.
Okay. So now the value will assign to the internal table as now. Syntax. You can look at LT underscore data. Record is come here. Segment name. Okay. This is the data. Now this will generate the IDOC. F6. Okay. You can check it the IDOC now created in the system. Or you can check it here in the control record. Right? This is a record. Here also settings already perfect. You can find here. You can take this IDOC number, go to S11, not S11, W02. Execute. We know IDOC selected. Huh? What is the program name we are looking? Program name. Huh? Right, which program we are looking? Yeah, right. And go to here. This only, right? So why IDOC was generating, right? Already stop here. Execute. Right. Check the IDOC here. IDOC number generated. This is the IDOC number. 64046. Go to W02. Right? Go to W02/mo, W02 execute. That's right. Now two IDOCs created. Hello? Double click here. Check it here. Data. All the settings are there in this system. You can also practice directly in this system. 30 means success. Ready to go to next system. Okay. Hello?
Yes, yes.
So next I'll show you the inbound IDOC also. For that, I'll go to other system. I'll go to other system, not other system, other client. Here. I go to here. I go to here. W0. I will log out the client. This is the client name. This is a different client. Remote one. Okay, W02. You can check the inbound IDOC here. If I go to here, 02 is inbound. I can take the date here. Maybe from March or from February. It gives IDOCs what I generated as inbound here. This many IDOCs generated here. You can check it if there is any IDOC generated yesterday. 2705. 26. Execute. See, one record is generated here, created yesterday,
Yes, yes.
right? This is what I think we did yesterday. This record only. Do you remember?
Yes.
Right? So the data has come to this one. Here, right? What the concept here is inbound IDOC process is inbound IDOC. Okay. This inbound IDOC is going to trigger a function model. We will do the configurations. With that configurations, it triggers the function model here. Function model. Inbound processing function model. This will post the data into SAP system using BAPI or custom code. This will post the data into this SAP database. This is process. Mm, Where you can see here is this function module. No? We go to here. Reprocess the IDOCs. What is our transaction code to reprocess the IDOCs? Process means post. Okay, W19, right? If you go W19 now, W19. See, the client number is 400, it's not 100. W19 here. Okay. Existing IDOC. I can choose existing IDOC, what I created yesterday. W02. Right, yesterday IDOC. This is IDOC number. Take this IDOC number. Give the IDOC number. Click on execute. Okay. Then you can use the inbound function model. If you want, uh, you can call in debug mode. This is the function model I created. IDOC. This is IDOC. This is a function model. In foreground, call in debug mode. Press enter now. Okay, now this IDOC is function model is been triggered. Here we are taking the data and we are posting into the table, this table. See, we are extracting the data from the IDOC. Yes.
Same way how we debug the other program, same way we debug IDOC also.
IDOC debugging, inbound IDOC is slightly different through W19. W9.
Okay.
You can start in the debug mode, then content will go to the first line. This list of becomes low because this record is already existing in my table, this table, with this material number. This material number is available. Which table? In this table. If you take this table, okay, go to this table, go to see contents, So client number 400, other client. Execute, right? This table is record is already existing. M1890. M189 is this record. That's why it is not unable to insert the data. Right. So this is for populating the data status of the IDOCs. Because in the inbound, we will update the status this way. This. Because IDOC is not updated, we are putting into the error here. Material insert failed. It shows that material insert is failed here. 23014. Right here. Now you can see here this IDOC in W02. IDOC number. Right. Now when we are trying to post, it has come this error 51. Unable to post. So we are given this message. Application document is not posted. Check it in our system. Do you have any inbound IDOCs? By based on this direction, you can check it here. You go to W02. W02. You can go the direction here. One or two. One is for outbound, two is for inbound. Click on execute. It will you inbound. It will give you inbound IDOCs. Check it in your system. Do you have any inbound IDOCs?
Yes, sir.
We have the inbound IDOCs, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
For every
83
inbound IDOC.
83 are there
So if I
from
go to
last
our
year.
system, in our system, I go to W02, right? Direction, 2 as inbound. Click on execute. Maybe not today's data, right? We'll make it as for last from January. Execute. Oh, nothing is there. So I'll make it as 0101. 0101 execute. Okay, this many inbound IDOCs are there, right? Whatever you see like this is the custom IDOCs here. You can double click here. These are the custom IDOCs. Okay. You double click here. You can find here the IDOC type. It's the IDOC type. This is the message type. IDOC type where you can see W31, I think. /4 W31. No, not W30. W30. IDOC type. Click on display. Okay. In the IDOC segments, you have the IDOC type, you will be on IDOC segments. Double click here. This is the IDOC segment. Segment editor. You can see the fields here. So where which function model will trigger is, you can check it here on the transaction code. Let me try check it out. Transaction code, the configuration of inbound IDOC and inbound processing function model. For a given IDOC type where we can see the processing function model of IDOC. You can see in W57. Go to W57 now. Right, you can search here. IDOC type. You give IDOC type. You see there is a. Did we found it here? This one only, right? Here. Go to here. Click on search option here. IDOC type. Press enter. This one only, right? Get call BTY E1. This one. Double click. This is function model. You can check it. This function model in ST37. Go to here. This is inbound function model. They have written the code here. If you want, you can put a breakpoint here. Huh? Then go to W19. This is the IDOC number, right? What is the IDOC number? This is the IDOC number. Take this, go to W19. Pass the IDOC number here. Click on execute. Okay. Inbound function model. Give the function model here. This is the function model name. Copy this function model name. Give it in foreground. Execute now. Six 4047. Huh? IDOC name. Huh? Now go to here. In foreground. Click on execute. Call in debug mode. Execute. I think some error in the system. Otherwise, this function model will trigger. Once the IDOC comes, this function model will trigger. Okay, now so our settings, IDOC settings are there. You can try to practice the IDOCs, both inbound and outbound. I go to your system here, right? W02. Go to IDOC direction. Inbound from January. Click on execute. If you want, you can share the variant. Click on save. Variant. Save it. Click on yes. Execute. Right. Suppose you can take this 64G19. Okay. Think of 1 minute here. This you can consider as a standard IDOC or custom IDOC. There are again two types of IDOCs: custom IDOC, standard IDOC. Standard IDOC is the standard IDOC type, right?
Customer.
What is the IDOC type here? This is standard because IDOC type is not much 05. You can
Okay.
check it in your W30. Take this one, go to W30, copy this one. See the SAP provided IDOC type here. Go to here, expand this, show you the IDOC editor, segment editor. In this SAP has given the fields. Right? If I go to here, if you take this as an example, you'll get all the outbound IDOCs here. One of the project very long back, I worked for only IDOCs, maybe 15 years back, not now. For 6 months, worked only in the IDOCs. It depends on the project. Every project might not have the IDOCs. This also you can export. You can create
Main
a
use
one
of
IDOC type. Hello?
main use of IDOC is
Yes,
to only to transfer the data, right?
data.
Or get the data.
Transfer data, distinct data also, both. Outbound
Okay.
will transfer the data. Inbound will receive the data from the external system.
Okay. So in the
Once the
migration
data comes,
projects and
no, ongoing projects also.
okay.
Ongoing projects also. One of the big area in the IDOCs. So what happens in the projects is, inbound IDOC will, SAP, other system will trigger to come into SAP. You don't do anything, only settings only. The moment IDOC comes here, this function module will trigger. Code will execute. Data will pass here. This is it. Okay, I'll stop here.